Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Hasan. In this video, we are diving into exciting topic Terraform CDKTF or Cloud Development Kit for Terraform. Whether you are new to Terraform or experienced, this video is going to give you solid understanding how CDK works, why it is so powerful. Let's get started the video. Before we talk about CDKTF, let's take a moment to understand what is infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code is the practice of managing and provisioning cloud infrastructure through code rather than manual configuration. It is like creating your infrastructure the same way you treat your application code, version control, automate, and reusable. The key benefits of infrastructure as a code are automation, consistency, scalability, reusability, and imagine spinning up your hundreds of servers with just a single command. That is the power of infrastructure as a code. Now, what is Terraform? When it's come to infrastructure as a code, the one tool that has dominated the landscape is Terraform. Terraform is an open source tool developed by HashiCorp that allow you to define and provision infrastructure using simple declarative language called SCL, and you can also use for CDKTF for infrastructure as a code. It is a cloud agnostics, which means you can use it with multiple cloud providers like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and more. Before Terraform, every company has its own infrastructure automation tool. Like in AWS, if you want to deploy your infrastructure as a code on AWS, then you can use CloudFormation. And in the same way, if you use Azure, then you need to use RM template. And if you are working on Google, then you need to deployment manager or infrastructure as a code tool. Now let's talk about what exactly is Terraform CDKTF. CDKTF stands for Cloud Development Kit for Terraform. It allows you to define your Terraform configuration using your familiar programming language. If you know about TypeScript, then you can write your infrastructure in TypeScript. And if you better to know about Python, Java, and other language, then you can use that language as well. This means that you can get all the benefits of Terraform like multi-cloud supports combined with the power of programming language. Terraform CDK key feature is that you can write your infrastructure in a flexible way because it uses imperative programming language. That's why you can declare your rules and regulations in your flexible way. Please note that you don't need to learn every cloud provider automation. We just need to learn Terraform, then Terraform responsibility to deploy your infrastructure in your specific or multiple cloud resources. Now let's compare the traditional Terraform with CDKTF. Traditional Terraform use SCL, which is a declarative. You can describe the desired state and Terraform figure out how to get there. But it can be tricky when your configuration need to be dynamic. But in other hand, CDKTF use imperative programming language, which means that you can write your code that is in flexible and reusable way. It is a game changer for developers who are already familiar with the language like TypeScript and Python. What are the key advantages of Terraform CDK? Why should you consider Terraform CDK? Let me give you few reasons. Programming language power. You can use loops, conditions, and even advanced logic. Let me give you few reasons. First one is programming language power. You can use loops and condition in your constructs and even advanced logic. Number two is reusable code. Share your reusable code with the constructs across projects, and it's provide better development experience. It also provide multiple cloud supports, seamless managed resources across AWS, Azure, and more. Now let's talk about what are the key components of CDKTF. To understand the CDKTF, you need to know its key components. There is a few key components: stacks, constructs, resources, and providers. What are the stacks? Stacks represent the sets of resources to be developed. Constructs are the building blocks of this CDKTF. In stacks, you can deploy many constructs into one stacks. And in one constructs, you can deploy many resources in one constructs. You can define cloud resources like S3 bucket, EC2 instance, etc. There is a many cloud providers that CDKTF offer like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud as well. And lastly, Let's talk about what are the key commands in CDKTF project use. The first command we need to see is that how to initialize our project in CDKTF. For this purpose, we need to use CDK init. CDK init command is used to initialize a new project. And how to deploy our infrastructure on our cloud platform. For this purpose, we need to use CDKTF LOI. CDK sync command is used to generate the configuration file for CloudFormation. And also there is another command like CDK TF This command compare local configuration with duplicate states. And lastly, there is a command called destroy, CDKTF destroy. It will destroy your whole infrastructure in just a single click. So in this video, you will know what is infrastructure as a code and what is Terraform and how we can use Terraform CDK and what is a major advantage of Terraform CDKTF and what is the key commands that we use to deploy our project in Terraform CDKTF. If you like this video, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks.